Hello everyone, this is Rafneet Kandok, energy healer, life coach, and a therapist. So, today I want to talk about sleep disorders in people. Now, there are a lot of people having lots of disorders in sleep, and they just label it by saying that we have stress. That is why we can't sleep. Now, I agree, but there are lot of stress, a lot of different types of stress, and there are n number of reasons which are not letting us sleep. So here I don't want to talk about all those, but yes, I can give you few tips, and I would love to give you few tips on this, and when you try, you will be very happily sleeping for good 6-7 hours. So first is before the sleeping time, like say 2 to 3 hours of your, when you go off to your bed, before that put a nice soothing music and just turn off the lights or make them dim. So when the lights are dim, your body starts getting a message that the light is gone and it's time for you to rest now. So the body starts getting that message, and the senses, with the soothing music or any kind of chant or mantra, the senses of your body starts becoming very calm, right? So they are not in the energy mode that time. When you put on these music, they become on the relax, they go automatically go on the relaxation mode. So first is this, we will put a nice music and a dim light setup, and then second, before you go off to sleep, just go and wash your feet and hands and face, and then just come back to your bed, lie down straight. The idea is to keep your spine straight, exactly in a straight scale position. Okay, so you just lie down like a scale. Just keep your hands on the sides, not on your tummy. It should not touch your body that time. Start taking few deep breaths. So, and very slow, these breaths has to be very, very slow, right? You breathe in and then you breathe out. The process of one breath should be like 5 to 7 seconds. Okay, exhale and exhale should be 5 to 6 seconds, and then you can increase slowly and gradually. So while doing this, you need to imagine a God whom you have faith in, whom you really have faith in, keeping his hand on your forehead and putting you off to sleep for good 6 to 8 hours. Or if you want to sleep for 12 hours or 5 hours, that's your wish. So the idea is to sleep for good 6 to 8 hours. So just imagine a God keeping his hand on your head or forehead and putting you off to sleep for good 6 to 8 hours. Now third is, you can ask, you can do it yourself, or you can ask any of your family member or your staff to do this for you. The center of take any essential oil, lavender, rosemary, any essential oil, which lemongrass, which you feel good with, right? Put it to the center of your finger, just one drop, and start rubbing the center of your palm like this. Then next step is to pinch your tips of the hands, the fingers. So all 10 fingers, or 4 fingers, 2 thumbs and a palm. So once we do this, the massage of the center of the palm and the tips, we get a message, we get a message from ourselves or from the outside world that yes, we are not alone. We have someone around us to take care of us, to be with us. So the fear or anxiety which we have while sleeping, which is not letting us sleep, that moves off temporarily. And the assurance that our family is there to help us, to care for us, that assurance gives us a very cozy, warm sleep. I hope you like this and try also. This really works. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.